Happy Halloween, my pretties! Welcome to Dionea Creates. In today's video, we're creating something a little different, a magical affirmation cauldron. And instead of traditional spells, we'll be filling it with words of light and intention, gentle reminders of who we are and the power that our words hold. So you guys, I thought this was a beautiful way to end this enchanted season and carry a little bit of that magic forward into the days ahead. So let's just get started. So you guys, I found this little cauldron locally and I thought it would be really perfect for a project like this. And I think that you don't have to find this specific cauldron, but if you want to create your own affirmation jar, you could use a jar or a bowl or a box or really whatever feels right for you. And then what you want to do is you want to write down words that lift you up, that remind you of your strength and your light and your purpose. And then each morning or whenever you need a little encouragement or a pick-me-up, you would pull one out and you would speak it aloud. And let those words be your daily spell, your gentle reminder of the magic that already lives within you. And so now I want to share my affirmations with you. Each one carries intention, strength, and grace. And as I place them inside of my cauldron, I am a vessel of calm, courage, and wonder. Peace finds me when I speak gently to my soul. Every breath I take awakens my inner magic. The light I carry changes everything it touches. My purpose flows through me with ease and grace. I am light in human form. My words carry the power to heal and to create. And I am rooted, radiant, and becoming more of myself each day. So you guys, I'm reminding myself of the magic that lives within these words whenever I place any of these affirmations inside my cauldron. And so with this last one that I tucked away safely inside, the little ritual is complete. A small vessel of light to keep close whenever I need a reminder of my own power. And so the words that we speak, they shape the way we live. They remind us that our light was never lost. It was only waiting to be spoken again. So you guys, I would love for you to leave me a comment with an affirmation and let me know if you create a little magical affirmation cauldron. And so for now, we're going to close our circle. May your words be kind, your heart be strong, and your light never dim. Thank you so much for sharing this magical season with me. And until we meet again, keep weaving your own magic, and we'll see you again real soon.